today in Traverse City at the Salvation Army, speaking with Cadet Andy Wheeler about their Christmas in July program. Andy, in July, you guys did something new with having a Christmas, the red bell, kettlebell ringing, but this time in July, it wasn't in December. It's kind of a unique thing. Tell me about it.
Well, we just wanted to have the opportunity to show the community how much we could use their support right now. Our doors are hardly ever closed, and we're always offering service to this community, so it's really cool to get them involved again.
And this was the first time that the Traverse City Post of the Salvation Army took part in doing a Christmas in July event. Typically, you guys are out only in December. Why did you guys choose to take part in this event?
Well, if you're familiar with our Red Kettle program, you'll see on our sign, "Need knows no season." We're always serving, and we don't always do a good job of letting the community know how they can help. So we thought, well, this is a simple thing. The weather's way better in July than it is in Christmas here in Michigan, right? So we just thought it was a cool opportunity to get out there. It was good to have support from the stores that allowed us to be there.
Definitely. I'm sure the volunteers who were ringing the bells were happy that this time around they didn't have to wear snow boots and all that kind of stuff. So overall, the stores that you guys rang outside of, they were supportive of this event as well?
They almost asked us to do it, honestly. When we approached them about the opportunity, they were very excited to say, yes, we would love to have you back. That's why we cherish and value the management that we have around here.
That's great. And so overall, how would you say the Traverse City community reacted to seeing you guys outside of these stores ringing the bells? I'm sure it was a little bit strange for them.
Well, besides all of the double takes and double checking our phones for the calendar to make sure we didn't miss something, they were extremely supportive. People couldn't believe that we were out there doing this already, and they thought it was a brilliant idea. So we're hoping that it's not just going to generate the money that it did, but also interest in volunteering for this upcoming real Christmas season.
Absolutely. And so do you think that this will be something you guys will continue on in future summers?
I don't see why not. We had a really good time doing it. The volunteers showed up. This was a fully volunteer effort. And just at those red kettles, we collected over $5,000 in those 2 days. It was very worth the time.
Wow, that's incredible. And so that money that you collected, obviously being that this was the first time you've done it, that's typically not something that comes in. And so where's that money that you guys collected through this effort going to go?
It goes right back into this community that we get to serve. When we didn't do it before, we just had a little more limited resources. We offered good service and it was high quality. We just weren't able to offer as much as we were hoping, or maybe even as much as the community might have needed. So with that extra money that we have now, we're just going to be able to help even better.
That's great. And what are some of the local community reach outs that you guys do in the programs that you have?
We have so many of them. We get to house some anonymous groups that come in, but we also serve a community meal on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We have a community shelf every day of the week that people can come and just get things for their pantry. If we have them to give, we're going to give them. Those are just some of the things that we get to do. We have a day camp that's really great. We've been taking kids to our camp in Grand Rapids for the summer. It's just been amazing, all of the things that we do at this location.
That's wonderful. And so, Andy, obviously December, the Red Kettle season is really well known for bringing in money, and now the Christmas in July. But the Salvation Army really takes donations all throughout the year, and you guys are, like you said, serving all throughout the year. It doesn't know a season. And so people can donate anytime, right? It doesn't take just those 2 seasons to give.
That's absolutely correct. If our doors are open, they can come and bring in cash or checks. They can give online at satraversity.org. And if they don't have cash or checks, we have a card reader here too. So anytime that we're here doing service, if people have the itch to give, we're happy to help scratch that itch.
That's great, and it will go towards something wonderful, the list of things that you guys do, and it goes right back into the community. So it's a great program to be a part of, whether by giving money or their time volunteering.
That's absolutely correct. We are always looking for more than just money. We want people who are willing to make a connection to those that need service in this community. So if there are people who have talents, they don't even have money, but they have talents and they want to lend those, like music instruction or cooking, helping us to cook in our kitchen for our community meals, those are things we would love to entertain.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Andy.
Thank you.
In Traverse City at the Salvation Army, I'm Abigail Blackrick with My News 26.